I'm Hawa Hassan and I'm here at the Midea Home Kitchen in NYC. I'm constantly inspired wherever I go in this city, which is why I'm excited to have partnered with Midea and share the kitchen with a special guest. Let's see what we cook up with the help of Midea. Hi everyone, I'm Hawa Hassan and I'm in the Midea Home Kitchen here in New York City. I'm with my friend from NYCFC, Luis. Welcome.
Thank you guys for having me here. I'm excited about today's dish.
I know you're from El Paso, the place of incredible tacos. We have a little bit of that here today. It's my take on a shawarma.
Sounds good.
And this recipe was really inspired by you and your background.
Awesome.
So,
awesome.
Welcome to our kitchen. So tell me about your family's foodways. Like, what are things that are often made in your family's home?
I mean, even though my mom wasn't a cook by profession, she always knew how to mix things together. So anywhere from enchiladas to a typical traditional dish in Mexico called mole. So I was just always excited to see what she had in store for me.
All right, I've got my spice in there, Luis. Now I'm gonna put a couple of tablespoons of olive oil in here.
Awesome.
Then I'll mix all of this and we'll get ready to put it in the oven. And you'll see that our chicken is cooked incredibly well because we have the temperature probe in the Midea oven that helps us with getting our texture in the chicken right. So you'll see it's really juicy, evenly cooked. And then I'm gonna take our pita bread and put it in the Midea microwave while you get the cutting.
Awesome.
So walk me through how you become a goalie for the best team in the US.
You know, countless practice sessions as a kid. I left home for a soccer academy when I was essentially 14 years old. Went to college and eventually get picked up in the draft by NYCFC. And after you win that championship, if you know that you've made your family proud, and obviously we made the city of New York proud. So can't wait to see what the future holds.
I want to give this a bite, and I want your honest opinion after.
Sweet.
You got to do a bite too.
I do?
Yeah. You can't be sitting there like that.
Wow. Wow, that's really good.
It's not quite a taco, but it's as close as we're going to get to it today.
Nonetheless, delicious.
Thank you so much for being here today at the Midea Home Kitchen here in New York City. I hope this becomes a substitute for any meal in your home, and I hope that it's a reminder of not only your home in El Paso, but your new one here in New York.
Absolutely, absolutely.